Anything happening?
This is Chem Lab Hijinks.
Get the 20 ball.
Anyways, for everyone who just clicked on this video and have no idea what we're doing, we're trying to make a heck ton of carbon monoxide.
Is this JCB vlog? Can you go grab J real quick? Other J?
Yo.
Can we get more J and J vlogs real quick?
I don't know where other J is. Chloe, do you know where your brother is? Yeah. We don't got the other J.
Here's the idea, right? Just click
Here's
on
the setup.
Here.
What is that?
This is the battery charger.
Anyone want to do introductions? Vlog crew?
I am a real chemist.
I'll put 20 volts DC.
This is Zach.
This is Zach.
Do we have your permission to use your face in videos, Zach?
Sure.
I don't need that. Sue me if you can, fool.
Yeah. Wait, no, that worked. That will. Because it's charging.
Let's get a close-up of the setup.
It goes positive and negative. It goes positive and ground. Oh no, it goes to positive and what are negative? Oh, okay, never mind. Sorry. Like charging the car.
But you saw my idea. Right?
So what we have,
So we plug it in.
we have 2 batteries.
And graphite.
We have wires connected to 2 batteries held between 2 pieces of graphite, which are kind of hard to see, and then all clamped up by those like plier looking things.
Yeah.
This is mostly safe. We are in a proper chemistry lab.
With the fume off.
Okay, I think there's some charge on it. I saw them move apart.
Oh shoot!
Okay, the fume hood's on. That's good news.
Massive amounts of heat. And when it doesn't
So why were we trying to do this in the classroom?
Friday afternoon hijinks.
Because it oxidized, so now it's not conducting as well.
You can't see the light too well on the camera, but it's very bright. It's very bright.
Oh, it
Just
melted.
came off.
Yeah.
Oh, it melted.
Something like that.
Can we get a close-up of the destruction?
Because then
Ah,
you
yes.
cannot tell them what's happening.
Nuts!
The good old
Happened.
the good old smell of carbon monoxide.
I love that rubber.
Oh, get out. Yeah, last year Lanford gave me massive dry No, I still have them.
I have some more pencil lead if we need.
We don't need more. Oh god.
Gosh.
You ready? See, this is how they used to make light.
That is.
This is still
is
how
bright.
some light bulbs are. Oh, that
There it
melted.
goes.
You should definitely touch that.
Woo! I think that was successful.
Just gotta burn the battery.
No, stop, guys. No.
We're going to transfer through
Oh
the
my
battery.
eyes.
That was a terrible idea.
That was a.
Why did you do that?
Okay, well, thank you for joining this episode of Friday Afternoon Hijinks.
Alright, now you might want to get a pencil and do a little
BJ and Z vlogs.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened with the pencil?
I need my pencils for EP tests.
Formerly J&J Vlogs.
We're just going to make fire. It's just going to make fire.
It's just gonna be fire.
Okay.
Miss Schneider's pencils.
We need to see the effects of this experiment. So for all aspiring chem students, we make fire sometimes.
We can weld.
Don't weld.
To connect the negative to this. And then we
Like
can
a
weld.
smile. Do you like a pencil?
No, don't blow the pencil.
Hold on.
My gosh.
Come on, guys. You want to see it well.
Not particularly.
No.
Nah, I'll pass.
It smells great. All over.
Here's the lid.
It,
Can I break this pencil?
okay. We should do it with steel wool.
Steel wool.
I don't always big piece because that's gonna oxidize everything.
This is true like chem student mindset.
He's doing the thing. Steel wool. Oh no.
If thing can burn, burn thing.
Oh wait, it's not connected to anything, Tyler. Thanks a lot.
I put the battery back. We're not.
Go get it. You go get it.
Would you like to do your introduction, Brandon?
No.
So you can just
Get
line
over
up the
No introduction from Brendan Lang.
steel wool like a dummy. Teamwork. Teamwork. Come on.
Stop trying
You
to.
guys like
value
value
your
your lives. Chem students definitely know.
Dead battery or something?
PSA, everybody, burning graphite creates a lot of carbon monoxide, so don't do this at home.
Not good. We just proved that it's fake steel wool by the way, so I mean.
Look at the battery.
For anyone wondering, do not try to perform this at home. It creates a lot of carbon monoxide.
Just to be clear, you should not do this.
Doesn't it work better under like a vacuum or something? Well, like.
Well, that's why we have the fume hood.
They got the battery out. Oh no.
Ooh, this is gonna end well.
Oh my gosh, white powder.
In the back.
It's a loaded bag. Just going on Skyline highlights.
What if we submitted this to Satorian?
Didn't it pass?
This
Next
is
year?
how we. This is how we
show,
express.
This is how we do Satorian next year.
Express. What's the theme again? Noticing or something.
Whoa, we're a child-friendly channel.
No, open it so that we can bend it. We'll just bend it, break.
It's gonna be a poor.